should've never even fuck with you. Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line. Oh, I'ma keep that shit a stack till my fucking time goes. I met someone last night and we can't get
Okay, back to real life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lisa and this is my little YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton luxury opening haul. I seen on my last one that I did, my first one that I did, I got a lot of good feedback and a lot of you guys liked it, and I figured why not do another one before I open this up and start using it. I figured I might as well film it and show you guys. This video is not to brag. This video is simply for people who like to see these type of things, like myself and many of you guys. Maybe you guys are, you know, having this item in mind of buying and you want to see how it looks in actual, not real life, but in somebody's hands rather than online. Many of you guys want to see honest opinions or reviews about certain products, and today I'm going to be doing my review on the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 in the monogram. So I have not opened it since buying it. I have been looking for this everywhere. I've tried calling other Louis Vuittons. I had a person that I purchased from before in Vegas. I could not even get a hold of them because they were having technical difficulties as far as being able to see what is in stock in certain stores. I guess they weren't able to tell you. But then I had another sales associate locally that put me on like a reservation list for this item, and luckily he texted me today and told me that it was in store and it's on hold for me. So I like drove over there stat and, you know, just ran my debit and bought it, and now I'm here and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So if you guys are interested in watching, then keep watching. That was pretty redundant. Here we go. So it comes packaged, well, mine came packaged like this. It just comes in a Louis Vuitton handbag, well, whatever. Did I just say handbag? I meant like paper bag, whatever this is. And it comes in a cute little box like this. Like, how cute is that? So I'm gonna open this. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, but like, I don't know if I went through menopause so young. I'll be like so cold, and then now I'm like so hot. Like my ears are so hot, like if I'm mad, and I'm not even mad. So weird, right? Okay. So, excuse me while I'm having this heat flash. But anyway, so it comes like this. It's gonna look all pretty and now I'm gonna ruin it. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm just gonna slip the ribbon off because I don't want to untie it. It's so cute and I suck at doing ribbons. So here we go. I'm trying to show my head here. Sorry if I look awkward. Oh, my nose is always itchy. I just have problems, guys. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm taking the ribbon off, and it's actually a box, not like the sneakers ones where you slide it out. It actually opens like this. Ta-da! I'm just gonna keep doing that. Sorry, guys. And it comes with this. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Rewind. So it comes in a box like this. Now I'm holding it with my fingers, as you can see, so it doesn't fall out. It comes with this little dust bag, and I'm going to take it out now. Let's shut that. So yeah, here we go. So I'm going to take it out. It's just really simple, super cute, super classic. This is the Monogram Toiletry 26. I tried to get it, but people are telling me over the phone that there was only one left in the entire company, and obviously I was not the one to get it. And luckily, somebody called me telling me that they got one in, and I was able to buy it. So it's completely new, obviously. I bought it at the actual Louis Vuitton store. It's unused. So I'm going to show you from afar, and then I'm going to zoom in and show you guys all about this pouch. So when you open it up, I don't know what this sticker is. It comes with the Louis Vuitton coated fabric cowhide leather trim man-made lining. That's what this says. So yeah, the material inside is this leather is like super durable. It's not the super soft leather that's gonna not keep its shape. So this should keep its shape if you take good care of it. So the inside looks like that. And it's a type of material that won't get dirty. Some people use this as a cosmetics bag, like a makeup bag. I think I'm going to be using it kind of like that, but I'm not going to be putting like tons of makeup in it because I don't want to mess this up. Some people use it as a clutch, so I'm kind of thinking of using it like that. Like if I'm going to dinner or going out, don't want to carry a huge bag with me, I might just carry this as a clutch, put my main things, my wallet, maybe a powder, a lip gloss, my phone, and something like little things like that. Or if you have a tote, I don't know where my tote is, like a tote, you can kind of use this as like a divider to keep things organized within your tote. So you can put certain things in here and then put this inside your tote to keep things organized. So I'm going to show you guys close up what this looks like. Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is what it looks like zoomed in. So as you can see, it has this little end right here with it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I don't know if you can see, let's zoom in again. Okay, this is like not working as planned, but you can kind of see it. It just says Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. Don't mind my chipped, broken nail. By the way, these are my nails, if you're wondering. Not that you really give a shit, but okay. And then here is the little zip thing that just has the LB. And then when you open it up, that's what it looks like close up. So, here we go. That's what it looks like. It's very smooth. It feels very luxurious, guys. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels nice and sturdy. So now I'm going to try and see, so you guys can see or get an idea of how much it can fit. I'm going to try to put some of my stuff in it to see how much I can fit in this. So here we go. Bag. And see what I have in here and transfer it over. Okay, so okay, well obviously this is gonna fit. So I have this little like travel size Valentino hand lotion thing. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put my little card holder, money / wallet thing. I'm gonna put that in there too. I have a pen. Make sure I wouldn't put pens in here, but just, you know, this is a trial. Let's do that. And if you do put a pen in there, girl, make sure it got the cap on. Here's a little travel size perfume thing that's almost empty, as you can see. What else? I have my Hello Flawless by Benefit face powder. Let's put that in there. Oh, such a big bag. That's all okay. Let's put, I don't know, I got the Chanel nail polish. Let's put that in there. Ooh, let's do this. I got some Way like hair lotion stuff, which by the way is really good. Let's put that in there. So you can see all the stuff I'm going to put in here, and it like still looks good. It doesn't look all like retarded. Well, let's take that back, because that was kind of mean to say, if somebody might take that personal. It looks good still without looking like deformed in its shape. let's go ahead and I have another Chanel nail polish that we could put in there. Because you know everyone wants to paint their nails out of nowhere. Let's put a compact. I got a blush thing. Was it blush? Yeah, we were blush. Let's put a bronzer. You see, you can honestly, I'm not going to continue to fill this up because you guys can see, like, look how filled this is. Oh, I can't talk. Look how filled this is, and it still has room. We can zip it up, and it still looks good and still keeps its shape. So, my opinion, if you're somebody who doesn't want to carry a huge bag, wants something that'll last you, that's durable, that's classic, this is a style that will go with everything, I would use this as a clutch. It comes in handy. And then you can use it for travel. You can use it as like a carry-on. Carry it with you on the plane. Carry some stuff. Some Kleenex, hand sanitizer, headphones, sleeping eye mask, pads, anything. Chapstick, headphones. Did I just say that? Yeah, headphones. This could be a great like little carry-on bag. So, yeah. Oh yeah, most importantly, you guys are probably wondering how much this was. So, the receipt comes like this. It's just like a Louis Vuitton envelope. You open it up, and this is the client advisor that helped me and texted me and put it aside for me. Shout out to him from Neiman Marcus. Okay, and then, okay, yeah, here's the receipt. So the receipt comes like that. So this pouch total with tax came out to, it doesn't even say how much it came out to with tax. So the pouch itself is not that much. It goes for $415. With tax, I believe it came out to $450, $447 to be exact. Oh, there it is. Yeah, $447.16. See, so it's not that bad. It's not that much. It's definitely going to be the cheaper items from Louis Vuitton. My sneakers were a little bit more, but that's because they're sneakers. Those were around almost $800. So yeah, it's not that much. If you want to make an investment in a luxury item, but you're still testing the waters, I would try this one. It's $415 plus tax. It'll go with everything. It's very convenient, and if you like it, if you like the style, then there you go. You tried something without breaking the bank too much, and then from there you can just grow and see what else that you like. So yeah, that was my review on the Toiletry 26. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's the same username, the one Lisa Marie, the actual word one, not the number one, no spaces. I'm going to try to post some new outfits of the days while incorporating my new Toiletry 26 pouch, so I'm super excited. Stay tuned to see those pics. Let me know what you think down below, if you're also wanting this bag or pouch, or comment down below anything else that you guys want to see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Got a nigga with a shark on up in Molly. Making bitches go retarded with this hard dick. Why you think my name is artist? I'm an artist. I woke up to a Menage, I'm just being honest. I get money if I want it on the carpet.
Snapchat me, your girl, Lily, right here. You're gonna see this video.
Like a drum, hit a beat blasting. When they come to that fire, I'ma fucking drag it.